Hello, I'm biking for 3 different trips: Bali, Korea, China, and I'm trying not to overpack, okay? So stay with me. Let's take a seat and go into this. I've added already some of the clothing that I am sure I want to take with me. Actually, this is something that I need to mention. I'm always creating outfits before going to a trip just to make sure I don't stress out when I have to go out. I have dress outfits, I have pants, I have shorts. Basically, for each occasion, there is already an outfit prepared. By the way, I have these sorting bags from Shein. I've got them last year and they're so handful when I need to pack everything section by section. I'm always trying to take a few dresses with me wherever I go because it's really easy to style them and you can create multiple outfits with them, so that's quite handy. The majority of my dresses are new. You can see the tags here as well, and that's because I ordered them especially for this trip. I want to take beautiful pictures, and most of my dresses are actually from PERFUMES. I really like their dresses. They are so chic and tropical and colorful. Well, I got this one with this shell. It will be right between my boobs, something like this, but you'll see how I'm gonna style it, and I'm sure it will look. Actually, I feel like with tops, it's really difficult for me because I'm either overpacking or underpacking, especially because I'm going to a tropical country, meaning I'm gonna sweat and I might need a new top every day because I'm going for 2 weeks. That means 14 tops. I don't think I have that much space. Let's see how many I'm actually taking today, and if I need, I can buy something there. I don't know. I'm a little bit overstressed. As I told you, I've never ever had a trip for that long to so many countries. Usually I'm using this trick. Basically, I'm just looking on Instagram for holiday capsule ideas. So I choose the one that feels like me, and then I choose the same items that I have at home. I mean, I look at least at the color, the model, and if I have something similar, then this is the capsule that will work for me. And this is it, a capsule wardrobe from Instagram. Also, I need some cover-ups like shirts, blazers, and jacket. First of all, I'm thinking of shirts because Bali will be hot, but might be a little bit chilly in the evenings. Also, because I'm going for a business trip to China, I need a blazer and a jacket to wear it while I'm in Korea. By the way, I might need to buy some more because I have no idea what the weather will be like. She's helping me. Moving next into the bottoms. First of all, I'm gonna take this pair of jeans with me from Levi's or Levis. I don't know how to pronounce it right. I think I took a bigger size than I was supposed to, but let me know, what do you think? Do they fit me nice or should I get a new pair? Apart from that, I do also have some shorts and skirts that I'm gonna take with me. I don't think I need that many bottoms as tops because it's easier to mix them and create more outfits. So take a look and see exactly what I took with me. Into the shoes we go, and this was the biggest dilemma for me because we need flip-flops and I've got 2 pairs, and then we need sandals obviously, and I've got these from Zara, these from Shein as well. They're so cute, and I found another pair of flip-flops. Obviously, we need sneakers because we're gonna have some walks there, and this is the pair I want to take with me. Then I thought I need some heels, and I didn't find the ones that I like, so I will need to buy a pair, probably Korea or China. But by the way, I might do some real shopping in China. I'm gonna film everything because, China is crazy. I'm gonna take these Nikes with me. They are my favorite pair of shoes. I'm wearing them everywhere, literally everywhere. Question is how to pack the shoes. Normal people put them in separate bags. I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna squeeze them into my luggage here and there to make sure there is space for everything else. And the most important part, swimwear, because we're going to Bali. And obviously, I'm gonna wear swimwear every single day. Am I excited about that? Look at me. Let me introduce you to my favorites. I've got these pieces from God Save Queens. They are so pretty. Just look at the details. These pearls and this shimmery fabric. Oh, I'm obsessed. Yeah, by the way, I have to mention that I forgot to buy a hat, which is essential. So I'm gonna grab one in Bali. I took a break. Now let's sit down because I'm packing makeup. Very tired by now, just to let you know, but I'm still going. I need my makeup bag and I don't know where it is. That's confusing. No, not there. Oh, here it is. That's my favorite from Huda Beauty because it's very spacious and you can play with the departments as well. Oh, send me help because this will take very long. Let me show you everything. So, first of all, we got 3 foundations, you know, different shades in case I get tanned. Yep. So I got this SPF 20 tinted moisturizer. Then I've got this Skin Silk Luminous Foundation from Revolution. And I love this one from L'Oreal. Then I've got 3 concealers just in case. Mini Coconut Flakes from Huda Beauty. Clinique Even Better Concealer. And She Glam Concealer. Also this mini corrector from Huda Beauty in pink pomelo. 2 bronzers, liquid and powder. Liquid one is from Rare Beauty in Mellow and Bare Minerals Endless Summer Bronzer. Highlighter from MAC and 2 powders. One from Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush and Mini Baby Bake Cherry Blossom Cake. Obviously with some puffs. I think they're called like that. 3 different blushes. The first one is from Clinique Chubby Stick. Second one is from Pixi On The Glow Blush. And the last one is from Huda Beauty Cheeky Tin Turkey Peach. Mirrors and blotting paper. Tweezers. 2 eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty. The one is called Toffee Brown and the other one Pastel Rose. 3 completely different mascaras. Tubing mascara from Urban Decay, normal mascara from Max Factor and waterproof mascara from MAC Cosmetics. Eyeliners, because I'm wearing them almost daily, so I need different ones. 2 brow pencils and this amazing brush gel from Rare Beauty. Eye pencils as well, beige, brown and black. Essentials. Lip pencils, different shades, different formulation brands. Huda Beauty, I got this one from my friend. She gifted it to me and it's called Bellani and Bezer Collection Cotton Kiss. That's a good thing that I opened it because I have to sharpen it. Oop. And 3 different lipsticks apart from the one that I already got, which is just lip oil. Revolution, which is very pinkish, so I'm gonna try it on. Yep, I think I added too much. Oh, it has glitter in it. That's good. And also, ooh, 2 more, okay? The one from Lancome, which is very juicy. And the other one is from Sunsolve MD and is actually SPF 40. The easiest way to not forget anything is again to go through the entire process like you're applying makeup and pick each items for that particular purpose. Bronzing and smoothing primer, essentials. You know what I forgot? I forgot eyelashes, but I'm gonna take the glue and this thingy to curl my lashes. Also, brushes I have to take with me and not forget, okay? And I think that is it, guys. That is it about the makeup. We'll have to go into bags now. This is what I forgot when I was packing the clothing. These are the bags that I'm gonna take with me. Let me start with the new one that I purchased just a week ago, especially for this vacation. It's the one from the new collection of Balmain, and I fell in love with it. It has this perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. You can wear it with so many outfits. The second one is this backpack from Custom Luca. I have it for a few years, but because I'm going to Bali, I will go to lots of trips. I'm sure I'm gonna need a backpack, so I'm taking this with me. Then I had this literally so adorable bags from Shein. They had these beautiful shapes and they go with literally everything that I packed. I created so many outfits with these bags. I cannot wait to wear them. And the last one is this trendy shape and it's in this beautiful brown color from Barakami. I love their bags. They're in leather and they are so good quality. I think this one is quite classy and trendy at the moment, which I'll be wearing mostly in Korea and China. I think it will go well into my suitcase. The lighting is not good and we are in the bathroom right now, meaning we are choosing skincare. I never forgot anything and I'm proud of sharing this with you. I'm taking my Yepoda the Calm Balm because it's my favorite. My favorite face toner at the moment because it's very creamy and leaves my skin so hydrated. This is the eye cream I'm gonna take with me, and just look at it, it's miracle. So you squeeze some cream, then you apply on the skin and it vibrates. So basically it massages your under eye with hydrating cream, and that's from BT Cosmetics. And obviously we need SPF. I'm gonna share with you the other two essentials that I always take with me: lash serum and a lip balm. Yep. I'm thinking it might be a good idea to take shampoo and conditioner for my hair, but at the same time, I don't want to take something that will be in hotels that I'm staying in Airbnb. So I'm not gonna take anything except a body glow and a body butter. And I've got this one from NCLA Beauty, which has coconut. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite scent. And the body glow is from Sol Janeiro, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the best body glows I ever tried. Oh my god, it smells delicious. And I didn't mention, but obviously I took deodorant with me as well. That's very important. Here we can see all the accessories and jewelry that I'm gonna take with me. So I've got this from Shein because I want to match with all the outfits that I have. 3 pair of sunglasses, my favorites, Miu Miu. I've got this, I don't even know where I got these sunglasses from, but I know they're trendy right now. And these are my Prada sunglasses, love them. Also, look at these bracelets, love this watch. You can see that's so pretty. Then I have all my favorite rings, and that's my favorite. I need to mention that this ring I got as an engagement ring this year when I had my 10th anniversary with my husband. And then I have some belly piercings. Okay, just look how pretty they are. Also, I've got these necklaces, 3 in gold and 2 in silver. And then also these 2 submarine necklaces, which are really pretty. I need to pack them and put everything in my luggage. And now we are going into perfumes, because this is very important for me. 1 month, I'm not gonna wear the same perfume, obviously. So, first of all, I need to introduce this perfume from Miu Miu. Oh my god, this is the first PR box that I got from Miu Miu, and they've sent me their new perfume. It's coming with me for sure. And by the way, I had this little cute pouch, and it's specially for perfumes. So I'm gonna put my Miu Miu perfume in here like this. Also, I need to mention that I got this huge bag from Kayali with lots of new perfumes from their new collection, which is called So Juicy. Wow, so many things inside. Reusable film camera. You're joking. I'll open it. Sparkling lychee. Ah, I need to try this one. And juicy apple. By the way, do you see right here? Look at my Kayali collection. I love small perfumes, and I want to grab this stand with layers so I can put them here because they look so pretty. I'm gonna open this too because I might be mixing them with the Miu Miu perfume, why not? And I also got this two, Plush Pear 23 and Sweet Peach 35. Ooh! That's juicy apple. It smells like a candy, like, it's good, it's really good. I look so pretty right here. Sparkling lychee. I have expectations. Wow, okay. To be honest, it's really sweet, but I don't feel that it smells like lychee. It smells nice, but it's not lychee. I'm taking these two with me as well because I love new perfumes when I go to a trip, and then I can memorize the trip by the perfume. Okay, so there is one more department which I'm gonna fill with pink champagne sparkle mist because I need to be sparkly in Bali. Pretty satisfied now. I'm very tired by now and I need to finish my carry-on luggage because I need to put all my filming setup, cameras, iPad, everything that I need to be still working while I'm traveling. Just essentials that I need during the flight or, you know, on the go. And that's what I need to put in my carry-on bag. I'm gonna show somewhere on the screen for you to know exactly what I put there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Glad I finally finished filming. That means I can fly tomorrow and I'm super excited. I'm gonna film everything for you, so you'll see vlogs. That's exciting for me. I'll be showing you where I'm going, the villas I'm staying in, and how expensive everything is. Like, what is the price, for you to know what is our budget for Bali, for Korea, and probably China, but we'll see about that. Well, I kiss you and thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and all the stuff. Mwah.